Basil, your secret weapon against 10 common diseases. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly remarkable to share: the incredible healing powers of basil. We'll explore 10 different diseases that basil can help cure, and I'll provide you with step-by-step instructions for each one. So, grab a notepad because you'll want to remember these amazing remedies. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why basil is such a powerhouse. Basil is rich in essential oils, vitamins, and antioxidants, making it a potent natural remedy for various ailments. Its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties are truly extraordinary. Number 1. Common cold and flu. First on our list is the common cold and flu. Basil can be a savior during those sniffly days. Here's what you do. Boil a cup of water. Add 5 to 6 fresh basil leaves. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and add a dash of honey for taste. Drink this basil tea 2 to 3 times a day to soothe your symptoms. Number 2. Stress and anxiety. For stress and anxiety relief, basil can be your calming companion. Here's a simple method. Chew 10 to 12 fresh basil leaves daily. Alternatively, make basil tea as mentioned earlier and enjoy it to relax your nerves. Number 3. Respiratory disorders. Now, let's talk about respiratory disorders like asthma and bronchitis. Basil can help improve your lung health. Here's what you do. Crush a handful of fresh basil leaves to extract the juice. Mix the juice with a teaspoon of honey. Consume this mixture daily to breathe easier. Number 4. Skin infections. Basil is also a fantastic remedy for skin infections, particularly acne. Try this method. Crush fresh basil leaves to create a paste. Apply the paste to your acne-affected areas. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with water. Repeat this regularly for clearer skin. Number 5. Diabetes. For those managing diabetes, basil can help regulate blood sugar levels. Here's what to do. Chew 2 to 3 basil leaves on an empty stomach each morning. This can assist in stabilizing your blood sugar levels over time. Number 6. Heart disease. Basil's antioxidants are fantastic for heart health. Here's how you can include it in your diet. Add fresh basil leaves to your salads and meals. Consistent consumption can enhance heart function and reduce the risk of heart diseases. Number 7. Arthritis. If you suffer from arthritis, basil's anti-inflammatory properties can offer relief. Try this method. Infuse olive oil with basil leaves by placing them in a jar and covering them with oil. Let it sit for a few days, then strain. Use this basil-infused oil to massage your sore joints for relief. Number 8. Digestive issues. For digestive issues like indigestion and bloating, basil tea is a natural solution. Here's how to make it. Boil a cup of water. Add a handful of fresh basil leaves. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink this tea before or after meals for improved digestion. Number 9. Kidney stones. Basil can even help prevent kidney stones due to its detoxifying properties. Here's a simple remedy. Mix basil juice with a teaspoon of honey. Consume this mixture regularly to help flush toxins from your kidneys. Number 10. Headaches. If you're plagued by headaches, basil can provide relief. Here's a quick fix. Crush a few basil leaves and inhale the aroma deeply. You can also apply basil oil to your temples and gently massage for relief. There you have it, folks. 10 diseases that basil can help cure, along with step-by-step instructions for each. Remember, while basil is a fantastic natural remedy, always consult a healthcare professional for serious medical conditions. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share this knowledge with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting health tips and natural remedies. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.